It's Tuesday, it's Amazing FBA Newsday, the show for Amazon seller news. Here's your host, Michael Veazey.
This is Michael Veazey, and welcome to Amazon Newsday. Amazon delivery drone noise has been annoying some residents in Texas. Residents of College Station, Texas, are troubled by noise pollution from Amazon's delivery drones, a concern as Amazon seeks to expand its Prime Air program. Amazon has asked the Federal Aviation Administration, the FAA, to increase drone flights from 200 a day to 469 per day, which has raised concerns amongst residents living near the drone facility. The buzzing noise from drones is a significant issue, potentially leading to stricter regulations or bans that could hinder Amazon's expansion plans. Amazon began drone deliveries in 2022 in College Station and in Lockford, California, and it aims to improve community relations by possibly relocating drones and their ports away from residential areas. The city of College Station is collaborating with Amazon to find industrial zone locations for drone operations, and Amazon is developing a quieter drone model, the MK30, to reduce the noise. Despite the noise concerns, the drone delivery program has been successful with no reported crashes or injuries and is seen as innovative and efficient by local officials. Drone delivery is still in its early stages and is facing regulatory, technical, and public acceptance challenges, but it holds potential for future growth as a supplement to traditional methods. Amazon announced it's bringing back its Prime Big Deal Days sales event this October. Prime Big Deal Days return this October to kick off the holiday season for Amazon this autumn and fall. Only Prime members will have access to early holiday deals across popular categories, including deep discounts on products from top brands. The celebration will take place in 19 countries, including Australia, most European countries, including France, Germany, and the United Kingdom, and in North America, Canada, and the United States. Amazon launches FBA grade and resell program. Amazon is launching a program to enable sellers on its platform to regrade and resell rejected and secondhand inventory. After grading in grade and resell, eligible FBA returns will be inspected to see if they can be relisted with one of the four conditions, like new, very good, good, or acceptable. Amazon will inspect packaging, confirm the item matches the description, test the item's condition, check for any signs of use, and assess any damage. When the item is relisted through grade and resell, Amazon will provide customers with a detailed description of its condition. This includes information about minor imperfections, packaging details, and functionality. With grade and resell, Amazon says the three selling points are that you can recover value, that is, turn customer returns into sales, set it and forget it with a streamlined customer returns management, and of course, sustainability and enhancing reputation with customers by offering pre-owned products. Thanks so much for listening to today's show. Stay tuned next week for our ongoing Newsday updates. This has been Michael Veazey for Amazing FBA.